Hi, this is just a quick tutorial on how to import a Moodle course into Schoology. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and find your course that you want to import and click on it. I'm going to choose foods for now. Once you've chosen the course that you want to import, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find in the settings a place here that says backup. Go ahead and click on backup. And then you want to make sure you unclick Include Enrolled Users. So unclick that, and everything else you should be able to leave the same. Click Next, and then make sure you have check marks next to everything you want to bring in over. So if this is a time you want to delete some things that you didn't have from before that you don't want to bring over, go ahead and uncheck them from here. Then you're going to hit Next again. Then up here you have a chance to change the name. Right now it says backup Moodle.courses. So if you want to change the name, go ahead and change the name, but what you want to keep is where it says right here, .mbz. You need to keep that as the extension on the file. I'm going to keep this the same, but I'm going to remember that it's backup Moodle course foods. Just remember what you name it. And then you're going to scroll down and say perform the backup. And it's going to take a minute, so I'm going to pause for a second. Oh, it didn't take that long. It says that the backup file was created successfully, so I'm going to hit continue. And now here are where all my backup files are, and you can see right here is where my backup file is. I did it today, and I can download it. So what I want to do now is I want to go and download it. So I'm going to click on the word download. If you notice, it popped up and it went up here, and you can find it in one of two places. You can find it in your download folders. If you go to your Finder and in Downloads, you can see it's my top one here because I have them sorted by date. So it's my top one. Or I could go back up to where that arrow where it jumped to. Now I want to go to Schoology. So I'm going to go into Schoology to your Schoology site. After you get to Schoology, you're going to want to navigate to your resources. So up here where it says resources, just go to your personal, because you want to put it in your personal file cabinet. Then you're going to go over here to where the little box is and go to the little drop down and choose import. And I want a Moodle course. I want it in a new collection and I need to give it a name. I'm going to call this one foods because that's what I downloaded, and I'm going to hit next. Then I need to choose that file, and that's where I said it was important to remember the name of that file. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to attach the file. I'm going to find that file that I've navigated to before. I'm going to choose it. You can see it said it was uploading it. And then I'm going to hit import. Once you hit import, it says your files are currently being transferred to Schoology, and you can access the list of your transferred files from your transfer history. So I'm just going to see how my upload is going. So I'm going to hit transfer history. And you can see right now it is pending. So I'm going to pause for a minute or two while it's uploading. Depending on the size of your course, this could take a long time or it could take a short time. Now while it's pending, I wouldn't sit and keep refreshing it. Otherwise you're gonna you'll be waiting either a long time, like I said, or a short time. So I would just walk away and let it run and come back and check it every so often. Once it's completed, you'll see that it says complete, and you'll see a little box here. And now if I go back to my resources and I go to my personal, we can see that I have a foods folder here now. And there are all of those things that I brought over to Moodle, from Moodle. If you have any questions, let us know.